Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit a portfolio on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right here you can create a new site. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the websites that you have on Wix. So right now, if you don't have a portfolio yet and you want to create one, click on create a new site. And then you're going to be here in this page. Once you're here, you can either use AI to generate your website or you can set it up without a chat. So I'm going to click on setup without chat. And then we're going to ask you what type of website do you want to create. Go ahead and choose portfolio and then click on continue. And once you do that, just continue with the steps. And as you can see, guys, now we are creating our portfolio. So right now I'm going to go back to the home page. And then once you create your portfolio, it will appear here in this list. If you want to edit it, just click on select site and then just wait for your dashboard to load. And once it has loaded, just go here to the left. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to design site. You're going to find either design site if it's the first time, or if you already designed your site and you want to edit it, you're going to find edit site. So click on this option right here. And then you're going to be redirected to this page. So just wait for the page to load. Basically, guys, this is the editor for Wix websites. So right now, just wait for it to load. And then, for example, I'm going to generate a site text. You can add some details about your site. For example, I'm going to say portfolio for website. Then you can click on generate a text. And right now it's creating a text for our site. And then once it's created, this is how it will look like. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to customize your site, just go here to the left. And as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your portfolio. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to add elements. Here you can add sections, add pages and menus, and so on. Once you finish, you can just click on publish and then your website will be live. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.